Hey, Vincent! Well, Carl's Jr., do you want anything?
Bro, this thing's huge.
I've asked you if you want anything and you're not answering me. You're on your own conversation.
Yeah, no, I want something. Can I get the...
Hey, Vincent. Vincent.
You're not even going to let me finish.
Can I just do it? No, I don't care about your points. Can I just do a shout out at the start of this video?
No.
Oh, I won't do it then. Hey, today we're doing the fiery star. Look at that. See that? They got that sticker on it. And yeah, this is pretty big. This is hefty.
All right, should we just get into this? So I've got like Western bacon cheeseburger on here. Famous star with cheese.
I mean, this is cold, but all right, let's just get into what we're dealing with.
Yeah, bro,
here,
my
Vincent.
bun's cold. Are you for real? Are you for real, Carlos Jr.?
Everything's cold.
Come on, man.
So, Vincent, can I just tell you what we're getting into here? So we got the burger bun. We got the bun, obviously. We got some fiery sauce on top. You can see that orange there. We got the meat. We got tomatoes. We've got just a big old onion.
Got jalapenos.
Just a circular onion. There's jalapenos on there?
There's jalapenos.
There's pickles. Oh, man, there's jalapenos. Bro, there's jalapenos! Jesus! Bro, there's about 400 jalapenos on. There's about 400 jalapenos on this, man. This is going to be good.
Well, we'll see.
But it's cold. It is cold. And I don't understand why Carl's Jr. make them cold.
Yeah, I didn't ask for it to cut in half.
Yeah, that's the method, though. All right, Vincent, should we take a bite? Let's just take a bite.
Yeah.
Man. I just had the whole onion just come out in one bite.
Hey, that's pretty good.
No.
That's pretty good, but I wish the bread wasn't cold.
No, that's not good, Vincent.
No?
Well, maybe it's because, the flavor is nice with that spicy stuff. That's actually nice. But my burger is completely cold.
Yeah, see, that's
cold.
Do it to you. The rest of my burger's not too bad. It's just the top bun is cold.
There's something here with this, though.
Yeah, the sauce is good. The sauce is real good.
The sauce is good. The jalapenos, they add the crunch, but they also add that little bit of spice, and there's that jalapeno flavor, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good.
There's enough spice that doesn't make it too spicy, but there's enough there. Yeah, I quite like this.
Oh my freaking God. Jesus, Vincent. I lost you, man. Damn. We had technical difficulties on my end.
What's going on, brother?
Damn. No, my camera just fell off the window.
Oh, damn. That's a shame.
That's all right. It's back on there, though. It's back on there.
Back on.
Hey, Vincent, if that was a hot burger, and I mean hot as in temperature-wise hot.
Yeah.
I would probably give that in a 7.5 sort of range.
7.5. What do you mean if it was a hot burger? As in if it was actually really hot?
I mean temperature-wise.
Oh, okay. If it was like cooked properly.
Nothing in that burger was warm. Not even warm, Vincent. It was room temperature at most.
Yeah.
Which, if you're dealing with foods at room temperature, that's when you're going to have issues. Room temperature it harbors disease and bacteria.
That's right. So you're going to get bacteria for me.
Carls, please. Can we get some microwaves in that piece?
Bro, they did not play games with the jalapenos here. There are so many.
There was a lot of jalapenos. I counted about 6, 7 in one look, but there was probably more. But Vincent, we haven't got the same experience because we're in different spaces. This car is hotter than the burger was, and I'm sweating in this car.
Yeah.
And I shouldn't be, but that burger was let down by the fact that, how are you going to be doing that in my ears? How are you going to be making all that noise and also chewing in my ears the way you do.
Bro, that's just how I live my life, you know.
It sounds like you're sucking on.
I'm going to give that burger. I'm
soda
not worried
or
about what you're saying. I'm going to give that burger a 6. It was good. It was good. Bun was cold. Sauce was nice. The actual meat was pretty decent, and I liked the rest of the ingredients that Carl's Jr. put in it. But there was actually too many jalapenos. I just had a bite, and like my tongue is now on fire.
Yeah, but I appreciate that, because if they say fiery and they throw one single jalapeno in there, they're not really doing things that they want to do.
That's
and
true.
My thoughts are probably that maybe not a lot of people are buying this fiery burger, so they're just like, we've got a high stock of jalapenos that we're not using.
They over-ordered.
So we just got to throw them on. We just got to throw them
Yeah.
on. I'm gonna have to give it a 4. The only reason that it's a 4 is because the sauce and the jalapeno element was actually quite good.
Yeah.
Everything else was top tier trash, and that's not on Carl's Jr. That's just on the fact that they forgot to microwave my burger for some reason.
That's right. They took it out of the fridge. They just had it sitting there for a while, and they were like, "Oh well, this one's here."
But Vincent, look, if you're going to go to Carl's Jr., I recommend, and I highly recommend, changing an ingredient on your thing to make them actually make it from scratch. Maybe take the cheese off or something, so it's not melted on, so they have to make it from scratch. Or get their chicken, because their chicken is top tier.
Their chicken burgers. I mean, we got videos, like you can see them up here or wherever I'm going to put them.
Oh, man.
They got,
put them there.
They got burgers, and they are top tier. They are top tier quality.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway,
Vincent, that's all I got to say, man.
That was too hot for me personally. That last bite was too hot.
Tell them where they can find us, Vincent.
Like
That's
and
what I want to
subscribe.
know.
If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Follow us, like us. Throw in some jalapenos. Talk soon.
Talk soon.